Now to a major announcement from the state on vaccine distribution in Illinois.
More people are now eligible under Phase 1B. Governor J.B. Pritzker made that announcement this morning that people with comorbidities will be eligible for a vaccine in this current phase. It's slated to begin February 25th. This guidance comes from the CDC.
But those who are under 65 and live with comorbidities have an elevated risk of serious complications or even death if they contract COVID-19.
Now here's a list of the conditions where patients are eligible for the vaccine. They include cancer, chronic kidney disease, COPD, diabetes, heart conditions, immunocompromised state from a solid organ transplant, obesity, pregnancy, and many more. And this expansion of Phase 1B will greatly increase the need for vaccines while supply is still low here locally. According to the Winnebago County Public Health Administrator, Dr. Sandra Martell, it's a challenge to place an exact number of how many people are in this expansion announced by the state. That's because someone may qualify for Phase 1A because of their job and qualify for this Phase 1B now because of their comorbidity. Dr. Martell says currently about 60,000 people are registered for a vaccine with the health department in Winnebago County.
Well, I think we're concerned in Phase 1B to begin with that we don't have enough.
And we did learn today the Winnebago County Health Department is behind on vaccines because it didn't receive a shipment this week from the state. Coming up tonight at 6, what we know so far about this and when you can expect and what you can expect if your appointment was canceled.
According to the health department, the most common comorbidity in Winnebago County is obesity. And now people who are obese are eligible under Phase 1B. We asked Dr. Martell who or what defines obesity. And she says that and every other comorbidity is up to each patient to report.
You're putting in your own information and you're attesting to it, right? So we're not asking you to produce proof that you're obese or proof that where you work or what you do, you know, obviously in your work site, but for the most part, it's an honor system, right?
And the same goes for people with disabilities who are now also eligible for vaccines under Phase 1B.
We're going to ask for some more clarification about how do we ask that question about disability, because that was not one of the comorbidities the national academies had come forward with in terms of vaccination priority for COVID. So we're going to need some additional clarification, and we will build those questions into our registration system.
And finally, we're working to find out more about what this means for pregnant women now eligible under Phase 1B. What you need to know if you are pregnant or breastfeeding before you get vaccinated. That's coming up tonight on 13 News at 6. And we know you have questions about the vaccine and the different phases of this rollout. You might have questions about distribution or even effectiveness. The 13 WREX vaccine team is here to answer those questions. If you have something regarding the vaccine that you need us to dig deeper into, we'll do that. You can email vaccine@wrex.com. And one of us on our vaccine team will work to get you those answers as soon as possible.